Hello everyone, welcome to Haiwell Classroom. Today we will introduce Haiwell SCADA software registration steps. First, we open the Haiwell Cloud SCADA software. Then we click the Help and find Register the Software option here. There are two registration methods. Scan the QR code with your mobile phone or open the web page via the link to register. In this video, we will demonstrate the web page registration method. It will show us the registration page like this. After filling in the information and clicking Submit, we will send the registration code to your submitted email within 24 hours. Therefore, you should pay close attention to the validity of this email to avoid missing the registration code. For this, you can select the developer or user according to your actual situation and fill in your name, phone number. Note, the mobile phone number needs to use E164 format without area code. Relevant detailed information can be queried on this website. Also need to fill in company name and the region here. Also the project information, like project name and project company. After that, just click Submit and wait for the email. The email will be replied within 24 hours. When we receive our registration code in the email, we can paste this code into the SCADA software. Click to register. You can see our SCADA software is registered. Haiwell leading the new era of IoT.